Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick video on these lithium iron phosphate Headway 38120 cells. These are 8 amp hours and they are continuous discharge at 15C, so that's about 120 amps, and instantaneous discharge at 30C, so about 240 amps. And these things are workhorses. I have them currently installed on a 439cc generator, 6 horsepower go-kart for the kids, and I also have one installed on a lawnmower. These things blow lead acid batteries out of the water, not to mention the life cycle on them. What I did run into was I initially started with some used cells, and unfortunately they don't come with these orange cell holders that come with the new ones. So luckily I have a 3D printer, so what I did was I just designed a cell holder, as you see right here, so I can hold my main setup is going to be for 12 volt scenarios. So I created the cell holders for the 4 cells and the cell box. You can see a completed one here. And like I said, these things are workhorses. They've been phenomenal for me. What I did was I also aligned it so that the bus bars that come with the new ones, in case I do have them, they're aligned so that they fit perfectly there. I don't know if you can see that. And essentially, I've got it set up so you can just slide the cells in. And I just printed this case out, so I still have to do some finishing, some sanding just for those edges. And then I've got here what I just call the BMS slider here. So essentially what I do is I just mount the BMS, some double-sided tape here, and then slide it in. And then I've got I just use some M6 terminals and connect on the inside. I'll show you here in a second. Connect the BMS and the cells, and I've got my 12 volt battery here, so this has been working really good for me. It can do with some improvement on the design, but for now it's just been working great. You open up the existing, so this is the one off of my generator, and as you can see here, you've got the BMS, and then the cells, and yeah, I mean this works great. Just wanted to let everyone see this setup and just how it's working for me. I'll have some updated videos hopefully soon on some more of these, maybe an updated design, and even some LTO cells that I've been working with. Thanks everyone.